Smart home features, the tech-savvy touch. Imagine walking into a rental property where the lights adjust automatically, the thermostat sets itself to your ideal temperature, and you can control everything from your phone. Sounds like a dream, right? Smart home features are no longer just for high-end properties, they're becoming a must-have for tenants who value convenience, security, and modern living. By integrating a few smart tech upgrades, you can instantly make your rental property stand out and show tenants you're ahead of the curve. Start with smart lighting. It's a game changer. Picture this. Tenants walk into the living room and with a simple voice command or tap on their smartphone, they can dim the lights or change their color to set the mood. It's not just cool, it's practical. Smart bulbs are energy efficient, saving money for tenants while appealing to eco-conscious renters. Bonus points if you add motion sensors in areas like hallways or bathrooms, making their everyday routines just that little bit easier. Next up, smart thermostats. They're one of the most requested features because they offer convenience and cost savings. Tenants can program heating and cooling schedules to match their lifestyle or adjust the temperature remotely when they're away. Popular models like Nest or Ecobee even learn user preferences over time, creating an ultra-personalized experience. And here's the kicker. When tenants see tech that saves them money on utility bills, they're way more likely to choose your property over others. Finally, don't underestimate the appeal of smart security. A video doorbell or a smart lock adds that extra layer of safety and peace of mind. Tenants love the ability to see who's at the door or unlock their home without fumbling for keys. Combine these with a connected smoke detector, and you've created a property that feels both cutting-edge and secure. These smart features don't just elevate your rental, they make tenants feel like you've genuinely thought about their needs. And that's the kind of touch that keeps your property top of mind in today's tech-savvy market.